Crypto for Beginners. How to start investing in 2025 without getting scammed. Most people lose money in crypto, not because of bad coins, but because they start wrong. Here's how to do it the right way, even if you're a total beginner in 2025. Most people lose money in crypto, not because the market is bad, but because they jump in blindly. They chase hype, fall for scams, and never recover. But that won't be you. Let me show you how to get started the right way.
Crypto is not just Bitcoin, it's an ecosystem. Before you invest a single dollar, understand the basics. What is blockchain? What is Bitcoin, Ethereum, DeFi? If you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with a small amount, even $20 or $50, and use a cold wallet to store your crypto safely. Scams are everywhere. If a coin promises 100x gains with zero risk, run. Check the project's website, white paper, and team. If it feels shady, it probably is. The secret to winning in crypto isn't finding the next meme coin. It's about consistency, research, and emotional control. Hodl when others panic. Take profit when others get greedy. And always keep learning. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and join our crypto family. We post new content every week to help you grow in crypto safely and smartly.